Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of July. I did receive my BoxyCharm Premium, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. I did do a little sneak peek, so I already opened it up. And for those of you that don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly makeup subscription. For the base box, you get 45 full-size items for $25 a month. And for the premium, you get 6 to 7 full-size items for $35 a month. So, inside are your goodies. And they also have this little pamphlet that you get. And for this month is the theme Sunshine. And the variation is number 58, for those of you that are wondering. And you get all your detailed information right here, as far as like the descriptions and the retail prices right here. So I am going to go ahead and jump into this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So the first thing I'm going to jump into is this. And it's Fully Fire. And I'm assuming these are the shades that you get. They're in Full House, Here to Slay, and Sunset Boulevard. Oh, okay, these are creamy matte lipsticks. So you get 3 of them. These retail for $39. It says, you know what you want and they're not cheap. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Grab our reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to all over aspects of your daily conquest. So this one is in the shade Here to Slay. And it looks like that. I love the cute little heart design that it has on top there. And this is the shade. I'm not going to swatch this or try this on for you guys. I am going to be giving this away in one of my giveaways, because I do not like the shade red on my lips. I love to wear nude lipsticks, so that's going to be in a future giveaway. Okay, and the next one is in the shade Full House. And it looks like that. It's like a burgundy maroon color. And I will be giving this away as well, because it's too dark for me. And the last one is in the shade Sunset Boulevard. Oh, this one might be my color. So I will be trying this on. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. Wow, that's a pretty pinky mauvey color. Love that. So I will be trying this on when I do my my try-ons. Thing I got is this Cuticle, I think I'm pronouncing that right, Cuticle Oil. It's revitalizing milk and honey. And it says on the back, apply 1 drop of cuticle revitalizer to each cuticle and massage gently. Can be used daily. And this retails for $18. It says a unique natural hydrating complex of rich, lightweight oils with extra antioxidants benefits from vitamin E that absorb completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. Milk soothes and softens your skin, while honey is a natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized. So I am going to open this up and try it on my cuticles. Oh, that's a cute jar. I love that. And that's the cute little dropper there. So I will be putting it on my cuticles. Thing I got is this bitter green essence toner, and this retails for $95. So this is a bougie product. It says the bitter green essence toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to soothe unwanted textures. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. And I did wash my face prior to filming, so I am going to try this out. I love the packaging. It is beautiful and bougie and gorgeous, and I love that. I'm going to put this on like after you wash your face and before you moisturize. So you want to do this before all that. Oops, let me get my hair out of the way. And it feels real good on the skin. Love that. Okay guys, the next thing I received is this Ciate London Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. And I believe this is my first time receiving setting mist in my BoxyCharm. And this retails for $22. It says set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultrafine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Next thing I received is this Kenya Ontivier's, I think I'm butchering that, Beauty. It's Blush and Shine Kit. And look at that packaging. I love that. I don't know if y'all can see the textured detail on there, but that is stunning. Oh wow, look at these shades. You get 3 highlighters and 3 blushes. So I love that. This one looks real stunning. I'm excited to try that one out. And it says, this flattering blush and highlight powders are combined in one palette to create flawless cheek looks. The kit includes 3 highlighters to enhance your cheekbones and 3 perfectly matched blushes to achieve radiant and endless looks. And it retails for $42. Wow, $42. So, yeah. Okay, and the last thing I received is this Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette. And it has his stunning picture on the back. For those of you that don't know who Manny is, he is a YouTuber and a makeup artist, and I love him, and he is just simply amazing. If you haven't checked out his channel, go ahead and check it out because he is just awesome. So I'm super stoked that he did a collaboration with Morphe. And this is what the palette looks like. I love the marble look. And it has it on the back as well. And this is what the palette looks like. You get 2 highlighters and 4 shimmer shades and 8 of the mattes. And this retails for $22. It says, are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? This mirror palette pairs up 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer shades. Finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shooked. So yeah, I'm super stoked to give this a try. So yes, now I'm going to be jumping into my the try on portion, guys. This is going to be the try on portion for the BoxyCharm. I did some foundation. I did set my foundation and I threw on some brows just to get that out of the way. So the first thing I'm going to be putting on is some bronzer. And I received this one in my BoxyCharm. It's by Too Faced and the shade is in Chocolate Gold Soleil. It smells just like chocolate. And go ahead and tap it and put it on. I love how it's not like patchy or anything like that. It just looks flawless on the skin. I love how it gives that sun-kissed glow on the skin. It's so beautiful. Okay, and I am going to be jumping into blush. And I'm going to use this palette that I received in my premium. And I'm going to jump into the shade XOXO right here. It's real light. You do have to build it up. It's real light. And I'm not going to be using the highlighter in this palette. I am going to use the Manny MUA highlighter. Go ahead and blend in the bronzer and blush. And for the highlighter, I guess I'm going to go into I guess let's do the Apollo right here. Yes, that is gorgeous. Can y'all see that? Ooh, Manny, what is stunning. Gorgeous. Y'all see that? Beautiful. I'm going to put some on my nose. I love to highlight my nose. It's so stunning. And then I'm going to put some right here. And then on my Cupid's bow. I love to highlight that. See how gorgeous that looks? A little bit more. And then above my eyebrow. Love that. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my chin. There we go. Okay, now for the eye look, I am going to jump into Dust Cloud right here so I can set my eyelids. Let's go ahead and do that first. And I notice it has a little kickback in the pan. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to jump into Firewatch. And I'm going to put that right above the crease. And it seems to be going on pretty well, blending out pretty good. It's pretty pigmented too. Okay, I'm going to use that same color and I'm going to put it on the bottom part. What is that in my hair? There we go. And make sure you connect it with the shadow on top. Go just like that. And then I'm going to jump into this Spellbound right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. V shape. Just to give it that smoky look that you want. Go. And then I'm going to jump into the Scorpio color right here, and I'm going to put it on the top part right here of my lid, and I'm going to use my fingers because your fingers are your best tool. Oh wow, yeah. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous gold color. Okay, and then I'm going to jump into the highlight in Apollo. I'm going to use the same highlight that I did for my nose and cheekbones, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. And I am going to spray the brush. And I'm going to put that same highlighter on my brow bone. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the shade Sunset Boulevard. But you know what? I'm going to set my face, my makeup first before I do that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the lipstick. That's a pretty color. I forgot to put mascara. I'm going to go ahead and use this Lash Princess by Essence. I'm going to go ahead and pop that on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished putting on the mascara and this is the completed look. I think it looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments below. As far as the makeup palette, I loved. The eyeshadows went on well. It didn't have a lot of kickback. They blended smoothly. So I love this palette. And this one right here, the Kenya, the only thing I used in this palette was the blush. And it's pretty light, so we're going to see how this works out. And as far as the Cuticle Oil, I'm going to have to see how well this works. So it's going to take some time on that. And as far as the lipsticks, I don't think this lip color really goes with this look. I wish they would have put in a nude color. I think that one would have been better. But beggars can't be choosers. And these lipsticks say that they're matte, but they are creamy. I wish they would have put a better disclaimer on that. And as far as this Bitter Essence toner, I'm going to have to see how this works out. But I love it so far. And this setting mist. It seems to be working well. The coconut smells amazing. So yeah, I love this. On the screen for you guys so y'all know the retail price on that. So yeah, this is it for my premium box. I should be receiving my base box pretty soon. It said that it was delivered, but I still haven't received it. I shot them a message. I shot them an email letting them know that it said it was delivered, but I haven't received anything, so I don't know if they're going to replace it or refund me my money or what. So I'll let y'all know on that. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Y'all take care and y'all have a great night. Bye.